Yo, what's going on, everybody? As you can probably tell, the Ranger is no longer on the stock wheels. So we mounted these up last night after I got home and checked everything to make sure everything was nice and snug. Took the wheels off the GMC. It's over there underneath the little carport shelter thing. Slapped the stocks on the GMC and slapped these on here. You know, I'm not gonna leave them on here, but it it does look pretty good, and I was honestly thinking that it would get way worse miles per gallon than what it does. Because look at the stance on this thing, dude. This thing is wider than the GMC is almost on them. Because it does have the 1/4-inch spacer, so we're at about almost 13.5 inches of stance. I don't know what that negative offset would be, but adding on the 1/4-inch spacer, that would be at about 13, close to it. But yeah, I think it looks really good. And you know, I got to looking at this truck. It kind of looks more like sporty / off-road because it's got a lot of like aerodynamic pieces to make it, you know, I guess like right here it's got a vent, on the other side it's got a vent. I don't know, I like the way it looks, man. It looks sporty, but it also looks like you could make like an off-roading build. Just saying, you know, just the way the fenders on the bed and the front, they kind of got like that where they poke out a little bit. I like the way that looks. But yeah, as you can see too, like the alignment after doing the leveling kit, I mean, it's honestly perfect because I didn't do it like they said in the directions. So that definitely saved, you know, having to get it aligned, which they do say get it aligned after you do it. But if you do it the easy way, you don't have to, as long as you don't take your lower control arms loose and mess with those, what is it? I think it's camber bolts. As long as you don't mess with those, you'll be just fine. As that, like I said, I mean, 2.5-inch lift, I don't think that's gonna mess with or you'd have to adjust it much. I think it should be close to factory, you know, alignment specs, just leveling it out. Now, if you went with a 6-inch, you know, I feel like, of course, you need alignment for sure. But 2.5, I don't think you'll need one because, like I said, it's just leveling the truck out. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think. I think it turned out great. I think it looks great. It honestly, in my opinion, looks like a TRX, a baby one. Or no, that's what it is, a Raptor. That's what I could not think of what the truck was for nothing. But yeah, that's what it looks like, a Raptor with the aggressive, you know, fender flares. That's what it is, a Raptor. It looks like a baby Raptor, which they do make a Ford Ranger Raptor. That might be why, I don't know. I couldn't think of the truck. I kept on wanting to say TRX. That's what it is, the Raptor. But yeah, I think it looks really good with these on there. Really good. Like I said, it's kind of unproportional just because the truck isn't really lifted, it's leveled. But I think it looks really good, and I could almost get a full lock. Like I can get 3/4 of a turn before it starts rubbing right there. And it's very minimal. I mean, if you've ever driven with, you know, a little bit of rub, this is just like a basic minor little bit of rub. I'm not going to trim anything right now because like I said, these are going to go back on the GMC. I just wanted to see how they looked on this truck and see how it pulled. You know, being an inline 4-cylinder, it still gets up in boogies, you know. I mean, it's not no V8, of course, but for a little engine like that, you know, it'll still get up and move. It turns them. It actually, like, climbing over hills, like when I took some videos for TikTok, like going over the little railings, like it did better. It turns them better than the GMC does, which is crazy. But like backing up, it didn't spin or nothing, which the GMC doesn't have traction control, so that's probably why as well. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Should we do like an off-road build on this thing, or should we do like I usually do, lift it, nice tires, rock lights, wheel lights, things like that? Or do y'all want to see like an off-road build, something along those lines, like getting the RC lights on it or KC lights, whatever they're called, things like that? Let me know what you guys think. I'm leaning more towards the off-road build. I know I said I'm going to do that to the OBS, and I still am. I'm just, you know, trying to figure out which direction I want to go, because there's a lot of stuff for that truck, being that it's been out for so long. There's a lot of stuff that you can do to those. Right now there's not a whole lot of stuff out for these trucks, so I'm just holding off until some more parts come in. I did order a couple more things for this here. The WeatherTech floor mats, that's a must. If you get a truck, I should have asked them about it when I was purchasing the truck, because let me just say, I typically wear boots, and they're typically not muddy, but as you can see from me just getting in and out, it's got the carpet kind of nasty. And even back here, I just sat back here just to see, you know, how it felt. There's plenty of leg room for me. Like I said, I'm not super tall. I'm sure if you're over 6 feet, you probably don't want to be riding in the back. But if you're, you know, 5'10", 5'11", and below, I think you'll be just fine. Like your kids, if you got kids, I don't think you'll have an issue. I'm not sure how, you know, like a car seat would work. I feel like it wouldn't be too terribly bad either, but I've never tried it, so I can't really say. But yeah, man, I'm really enjoying the truck. Like it turns heads already. I mean, just from what I've done to it so far, you know, people already looking at it like, what is that? And it might just be because, you know, the big old wheels on the mid-size truck. I don't know, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. Probably gonna pull these things off and put the stocks back on anyways, but just did it for some content purposes. And I haven't seen one online that's been on 33s and 22s. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, stay tuned, because we got a lot more stuff coming. I know we're closing in on that 2K mark. And another thing, Merry Christmas, everybody. It is Christmas, as you can probably tell, or probably not. We don't get snow in North Carolina often, so unfortunately we didn't get blessed with a white Christmas. But hope everybody had a great holiday, and yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.